A very good morning to everyone. So in this session, you will be getting to know the details of the data science along with the artificial intelligence. Let us see the comparison between the two. What is a data science and how is it different, and or how we can say it is a part of the artificial intelligence is a part of the data science. How they both are different from each other. Let us have a comparison over here now. So basically, let us begin with the meaning. What is a data science? As I told you in the previous session or the previous video, it's nothing but it's a study or a field where we collaborate the computers. Okay, along with that, we are adding the mathematical terms, statistical terms to it, and together with that one, we are even applying few of the programming techniques or for the analytical and visualization basis. Means on the whole basis, what are we doing over here is we are converting the raw data into some useful information, right? So what is it? Artificial intelligence now. So whatever data we have developed, that we are implementing or developing onto some machine, where we are giving that particular machine the analytical power of a human brain. How is a human going to think? In the similar way, we are going to give the programming for that particular machine to get the thinking abilities of a human with the help of the AI, okay, artificial intelligence, where we will be applying few of the machine learning techniques by using Azure or any of the available uh, techniques that are available for us for the development of the AI. Now coming to the skill set, for developing the data science, you must be having the skill set of the statistical, technical design and the development techniques you must be knowing. Then you must be even knowing the algorithmic techniques for the design and the development. Not only this, for dealing with the data science, again, you must be having few of the data analytical techniques, okay? And likewise for the artificial intelligence, you must be having the machine learning techniques as well, okay? So how is it useful? Use of knowledge. So we will be applying again the statistical learning for the analysis of the data over here. And likewise for the artificial intelligence, you will be applying the machine learning techniques. So here the outcome would be just the data is not only available for us, but it will be available for us for the decision purpose, where we can develop the data for making the decisions and so on. Likewise in the AI as well, the developed data is ready for the decision making purpose. And for problem solving, whatever new developments have come come for, that will be used for solving the problems. Specific problems will be solved by using this data sciences only. And we have a loop, means how the data will be coming into structural format, and then how it will be used for solving the problem and so on. Likewise for the AI, again we will be representing the same loop in the sense the repetitive task whatever we are applying for generating the data, for developing the data into from useful knowledge, okay? And then with that available information, we are planning and we are making the decisions and putting the things into actions, and that is your AI. So once a problem has been solved, it will be represented and available for the end user. And for processing, here the data will be processed again and again if at all needed, by making few of the data manipulations by using the data manipulation techniques. And likewise, not only in the data science, we will be applying it in the artificial intelligence as well. Graphical point of view, yes, this graphical point of view will be helpful for us for representing our past data, the present data, and how it will be in the future. And likewise, the artificial intelligence, this will also be used for developing the data, okay? Again, based upon the network, as AI is developed based upon the neural networks, or we can say deep learning, machine learning, whatever techniques we're using for it. All this we will be applying, all these things will be applied, and they will be resolved, or they will be categorized from the past, present, and the future implementations, and the results analysis will be done over here. And finally the data will be controlled and manipulated with the data science techniques only over here. And here the robots, whatever the a new machine where we have given the, or where we have programmed the abilities of a human being onto a machine, okay, with the help of some AI or some machine learning techniques, that will be the one that will be controlling our AI. So hope these comparisons are clear to you all, comparisons between the data science and the artificial intelligence. Now, as we have compared both of them, let us see few of the advantages of data sciences. What are the advantages of the data sciences? And as you know, a toss has two sides. A coin has two sides, right? So likewise, any of the new invention or the development will also be having pros and the cons, advantages and the disadvantages. Let us go into the details of the advantages and the disadvantages of data sciences. So if we look into the benefits of the data sciences, it is one of the highly demanded course, or demanding platform for the upcoming job seekers, where numerous opportunities available. Okay, it is one of the fastest growing job on LinkedIn. You will be able to earn or make, you will be able to make the jobs available for 1.5 millions of people by the year 2026. And it is one of the highly employable job sector. Okay, data science is one of the highly employable job sector, which is creating so many jobs opportunities into this field. Abundance of positions are there, yes. As the other day I spoke about an engineer. An engineer can be of various types. He can be a software engineer, mechanical, civil, electronic. Likewise, as you are coming towards the data science, here you will be having the various positions over here. Few can be considered as a data scientist, data analyst, business analyst, data developer, okay, software developer, so tester. So likewise we have abundance of positions are available to you in this field, and it is one of the highly paid career. Okay, you would be admiring your profession once you have entered into the field of the data science. But only the trivial task, I will talk about the trivial task in the disadvantages part. So here we are going to discuss only the advantages and the benefits. Data science is versatile. Yes, numerous applications can be developed and can be implemented onto various sectors like healthcare, banking, consultancy services, e-commerce, etc., etc. A small example I would like to give you here in case of the healthcare. As you know, the COVID or the pandemic has given very big lessons to each one of us. So everything has been converted from manual, physical to digital and online, right? So in the coming days, if at all a patient has to be diagnosed, okay, a doctor has to diagnose his patient or her patient. So at that time, there will be few of the equipments that has been developed with the help of the data science, where online diagnosis would be possible. Now, today for banking, we need to visit the bank, but due to pandemic, there are restrictions available at each and every place. So to make even this sector online, so all the measures would be taken place with high security and other functionalities, whatever are required. Okay, so that would be the numerous amount of applications would be developed with the help of the data science. Data science makes data much better. Okay, data science makes data much better over here. It makes the future much better. Okay, as the companies require skilled data scientists, means high professional data scientists would be used for processing and the development and the analysis of the data over here, and improved quality of the data would be in high demand. And likewise, when we are into the demanding rate of the data, no doubt it will be developing the outside surrounding data as well. So data scientists are highly prestigious, but the only drawback over here is uh, they would be under what we can say under pain only in one session, that is during the filtering of the data, as they have to filter the data filter after so many filtrations. When they are coming up to with some useful data, so that is the only trivial part over here. Rest everything is numerous, and you will be enjoying the position of this prestigious opportunity. Okay, no more boring task will be there, as you are working into some of the automated and the redundant task will be there, and everything will be automated. High qualified or high quality data will be available with a simplified amount of data and information available to the end user. And the future of the data science is very smarter, as in nowadays only you are able to see smartphones, smart watches, and many of the smart devices we are using. Okay, so this is one of the scenario where you will be getting more amount of smarter things or the products, like for example in the field of e-commerce websites and all, where you will be having the, for example, if I give one example over here for the e-commerce websites, as you go and purchase on Amazon or Flipkart online, so what you will be getting the information before you go and purchase, you'll be having the reviews of the old customers or old purchasers, whoever they were, whatever the results they have found into it. Yes, likewise you will be finding the online discounts, okay, available to it. What is the actual price, what is the reduced price, how much discount is available. Likewise, you will be able to see even the next availability of the product, how much time it is going to take for the shipping of the product, and so on. So nowadays we are able to see this much amount of information. Okay, and if we implement or add data sciences to it, you just imagine what can be the more smartness available for us for easing our task. And it can save the lives. Yes, I have told you, as I have told you, that easily online diagnosis of a patient can be done by using the data science. And likewise, we will be able to bring out the IT sector as a better place and management for the development of the personal, on the basis of the personal or problem solving skills, development of the personal growth, everything would be a great place. So these are the advantages of the data sciences. Now let us see quickly go and have a look at the disadvantages of the data science. As you have known that it is a very lucrative career option, there are also various disadvantages into this field. Let us see. Data science is a blurry term, means you're not going to get an exact definition of it. What is it actually called as? Okay, you would be finding it as a buzzword, where exact meaning of the data scientist is very hard to find and difficult to understand. A data scientist specific role depends on the field that the company is specializing in. Okay, so you cannot directly go and give a one line statement for the data scientist or the data science. Okay, it purely depends upon the requirement or the specialization of the organization where they are working. Mastering data science is near to impossible. Yes, it's highly impossible task to master the skills of the data science, as every now and then we are changing as every now and then we are changing the statistical and computer science and mathematics techniques. Okay, And as there will be changes into these things, there would be changes even in the scientific techniques as well. So it is highly impossible for any person or any data scientist to master himself as a proficient data scientist. Becoming a proficient data scientist is highly impossible into this evergreen, ever changing platform. Large amount of domain knowledge is required, yes. Another very big disadvantage of the data science is domain knowledge is the backend, I can say, or the backbone of this data science, where we will be able to solve the problems without its background information or knowledge. So it you can take it in any of the industries, either it be the healthcare industry or the geological, meteorological, or any of the scientific terms where we are applying it. It would be highly important to have the very large amount of domain knowledge, without which the problem cannot be solved so easily. Arbitrary data may yield unexpected results. Yes, blindly just expecting the results out of it would be arbitrary, means decision. Just assumptions के ऊपर results analyze करना, या फिर based upon the assumptions you cannot make the quick results, or decisions cannot be made where it is going to fail, or weak your management and poor utilization of the resources would be notified. And likewise, problem of data privacy. Yes, for many industries, data is their fuel. Data scientists help companies make the data driven decisions. Yes, it is one of the platform where the security of the data is also highly important and confidential. So this is one of the drawback actually to maintain the high privacy of the data. So these are the few disadvantages of the data sciences that we have discussed. Hope it is clear to you all the advantages and disadvantages, and even the comparisons of the data science along with the artificial intelligence. So as I told you, a coin will be having two faces, the heads and the tails. Likewise, where there are benefits, there will be few disadvantages. But when you are ready to take the risk of the disadvantages, you are always on the safe zone. Thank you so much. Keep watching my next videos for more information onto this data sciences. Thank you.